Hello everyone, this is Thongkandu, our world channel. I am now traveling from Savanakhet to Pakse for an annual conference. I work in the mining industry. We are going to have an annual conference in Pakse. I will take this opportunity to take some videos of Pakse city to show you guys. For you who don't know, Pakse is a famous tourism city in Laos. So don't miss to watch all of my videos, okay? This is where we are going to stay. Grand Hotel. Okay, so now I can enter to the room. This toilet, pretty good. It's Champasak Grand Hotel. This is the bed. It's beautiful. Let's see the view outside. Okay, this is first time in Pakse. See, it's Mekong River over there. It's back to the town. We are walking for exercise now on the bridge here. It's Mekong River. It's the town. Show you. Yep. So we are going to walk on the hills over there. I have not gone there before, but I've been there before when my friends taking me to there. Now this will happen. We will big exercise tonight. Now we are walking up to the temple. We're taking the steps from here on the way to stupa. This is the last steps heading up to the temple. Very good for exercise. So now we arrived at the stupa below the temple. This stupa is facing to the Pakse city. The list of donations to build the temple. It's drums there, and over there I think it's the viewpoint. This is the view looking down from the temple on the Laos mountain. Looking down to the Pakse city, the bridge where we crossing Nplog river. Upstream.
I've just got the feeling that I should go out and cold beer. Relax. It's the feeling I've got.
Yeah, it's the feeling.
It's like go out and enjoy your time here.
Go out.
Yeah, this location that
Oh, just not far, just go to
Last moment is the basi of the monk to our team. Our boss donated some money to the temple today for constructions. The day is over and now we're coming back to the hotel.